Hey everyone, Honor is gearing up to introduce its much-anticipated Tablet GT Pro alongside the new X60 smartphone series on October 16th in China. Although we are a few days away from the official launch, a slip-up on Honor's official website gave us a sneak peek into the price of the upcoming tablet. For a brief period, the Honor Tablet GT Pro was listed on Honor Mall, allowing curious eyes to catch a glimpse before it was quickly removed. However, a Weibo user managed to capture a screenshot, revealing important details. According to the leaked information, the Honor Tablet GT Pro with 8 gigs RAM and 256 gigs storage, equipped only with Wi-Fi, no cellular option, is priced at $410. The tablet will come in multiple color options, including Star Black, and offers an intriguing proposition for buyers looking for an affordable, mid-range tablet in China's competitive market. While key specifications such as the chipset and battery capacity are yet to be disclosed, the leak has shed light on several details. The Honor Tablet GT Pro is expected to feature a 12.3-inch display with renders showing minimal bezels and a selfie camera embedded in the left bezel. A single rear camera will grace the back, accompanied by LED lighting for better low-light photography. While the leaked price pertains to the 8 and 256 gigabytes model, it indicates that the base 8 and 128 gigabytes version will likely be priced under $410. The Honor Tablet GT Pro will be a Wi-Fi only device, confirming the absence of cellular support. Apart from Star Black, the tablet will also be available in GT Blue and Moonshadow White, offering consumers more color choices to match their style. Although the accidental listing provided insights into the pricing and memory variants, many important specifications are still under wraps. Honor has yet to reveal critical details like the chipset, battery capacity, and display technology. However, given the competitive pricing and the sleek design showcased in the renders, the Honor Tablet GT Pro appears to be targeting a wide range of users, from casual to power users, thanks to its varying storage and RAM options. In addition to the tablet, Honor is also launching the X60 smartphone series during the same event. While specific details on the X60 models are still forthcoming, Honor is expected to unveil a range of mid-tier to premium smartphones to compete in China's highly competitive mobile market. As October 16th approaches, it's clear that Honor has lined up an exciting array of devices. Stay tuned for further updates as Honor prepares to share more about the Tablet GT Pro and X60 series in the coming days. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of the new tablet. Have a nice day, and God bless you.